Hi, I'm John from Fan of Bikes. I'm here to show you how to assemble your new E9 Fat Track. First of all, you're going to take your front tire and your skewer, and you're going to place the skewer through the axle of the bike. Now, we're going to put the front tire on the bike. Tighten down the skewer and cinch it down. Now we want to mount the handlebars. So first, if you notice, the stem is in the wrong direction. So you're going to pull the stem around, get it straight, and using the tools that come in the kit, we're going to take the Allen wrench and go ahead and tighten this in place. Put the little cap back on. Now we're going to mount your handlebars. So on the stem, remove the front clamp. Take your handlebars, carefully pull them around and set them in the stem and replace the front clamp. Make sure your cables are out of the way. Using the Allen wrench provided, go ahead and tighten your clamp back down. Align your handlebars and finish tightening. Now to power on your bike, on the battery there's an on and off switch. Push, turns on your battery. Now you'll want to come up here to the handlebars and you'll notice there's an up arrow, a down arrow, and underneath here is your on-off switch for your controller. Push and hold will turn on your display. Now, if you push up, that'll give you your pedal assists up to the number 5. Going lower will give you down to 0, pedal like a normal bicycle. If you want to turn on the backlight, you press and hold the on button and the up arrow, and that'll display and turn on your light. To turn it off, it's the same. Now you want to assemble your pedals. There is a left side and a right side to the pedal. The left side is counterclockwise threads. And using the wrench provided, you can tighten it down. Now I'm going to show you how to remove your battery if you need to. The bike will come with a set of keys. These keys are only used to remove the battery. They're not to start the bike or do anything with electronic. Place the key, turn the key, there's a little lever on your battery, and your battery will just easily pop out. To put it back in, you set it in its cradle. You can even remove the key and it locks back in place. Make sure it's secure. And you're finished.